We're live and let's set the scene. You're stepping up to the plate of PowerPoint for the very first time, and we're building a winning slideshow from scratch. Right out of the gate, you fire up PowerPoint, hit that blank presentation, and you're on the field. Take a quick look at the ribbon up top, the Home and Insert tabs. That's your playbook. Lock in an easy-to-find file name so you don't fumble your progress. Now it's the opening kickoff, the title slide. Click that Click to Add Title box, punch in your big headline, maybe drop your name or today's date below it. Keep the wording tight, the font clean, something your audience can read from the cheap seats. Next possession, you're adding slides. Hit New Slide on the Home tab, choose a layout, title and content for basic bullet points, to content when you're comparing stats side by side. Each layout has a role, like positions on the field, so pick what fits the play you're running. On every slide, keep it to short bullets, not long essays. Then make it visual, Insert tab for pictures, icons, screenshots, even arrows to point out the key action. Time for style points, jump to design, grab a theme, professional, playful, or simple, then add smooth, subtle transitions. Finally, review, polish, and hit slideshow from the beginning. Just like that, you're not just clicking slides, you're running the show.